I believe breakfast is nearly ready, children.
Fresh berries for everyone! Hooray! I'm starving!
Good morning, everyone! Today is the Rain Festival!
Wow! These giant leaves are like little bridges! Look! The leaf is sailing like a tiny boat! Careful, everyone! The branches are slippery! These flowers are perfect for the festival!
My ladder will help us reach the highest petals.
The forest looks amazing from up here! These petals shine like tiny stars! Whee! This leaf slide is fun! These fruits will make the sweetest cake!
Step carefully across the leaf bridge.
I can already smell Mira's cooking! Let's cook something magical! This berry soup will be delicious! The petals make everything beautiful!
And slowly the rain stopped.
Friends, the Rain Festival begins! This is the happiest day in the forest!
And every rainy day after that, the tiny gnomes celebrated together.